Good morning. It's just after 5 o'clock. We are out and happy 9 of Clubs Day. Uh-oh. Noise. I was driving home and I saw this guy on the road taking pictures of something, and I saw what it was. I immediately pulled down the street and I'm gonna go, he's still there taking pictures. I'm gonna go see what it is and take pictures too. I know what it is, but it's cool. Yeah, they're probably used to the noise and stuff, eh? And people.
See that?
Where? Oh, look at that!
From the other, there.
Oh my God!
Some are hidden.
Look at those turkeys! Oh my God! That is amazing!
Are they sitting here?
Oh!
I saw one go.
Oh! I wonder how many are back there.
There are some on the other side of the.
Oh!
Oh.
They're massive! I'm in the yard. I'm gonna see how close I can get. Oh no! They're flying away. Oh my gosh. People see them. Totally just scared them. Oh my gosh, look at back there. Honestly, I don't think anyone lives here. So I'm gonna see if I can get a closer picture of that with them all on that tree like that. Because they're massive, huge, beautiful. So I would have needed to go all the way in the backyard, and it is very, there's a lot of junk back there. So I didn't feel like walking through all that, but that was amazing. Oh my gosh. I was literally racing my sister home, and I was like, saw that guy taking pictures, saw what he was taking pictures of, turned the next corner and parked so that she can get home before me. That's totally fine. It's stuff like that that I would really love to have a drone, because I would try to silently, without scaring them, get close enough to take really nice pictures and videos. But this city doesn't cease to amaze me with the wildlife. Just like on my other vlog, you saw where we almost hit a turkey driving home because it just ran across the road.